Welcome to this video guide on how to download and install Cash App on your mobile device. In this video, you will learn how to locate the official app, complete the installation, perform initial setup, create your cash tag, and understand key security measures. To get started, open your device's App Store. Search for Cash App, locate the official version by Square Inc., and tap Get or Install to download. Follow your device's prompts to authenticate the installation. Once installed, open the app to begin setup. Enter your contact information, verify your account with the code you receive, and follow the prompts to add a payment method and create your unique cash tag username. For a smooth experience, ensure you only download from official stores, maintain a stable internet connection, and keep your contact details accessible for verification during the setup process. Finally, note that on iOS, installation may require biometric authentication. On Android, you may be prompted for permissions. Both platforms allow you to manage updates and features through their respective app settings.